I think I should change them out. Don't you think so? Let's see. Right, there's something that I need you to have a look at. We're going to solve some equations. But the interval, our domain is only from 90 degrees to 360 degrees. So no acute angle. No acute angle as a solution. Make sense? But you still have to find the acute angle so that you can look at whatever that possibility is. You're going to do whatever is the requirement. Okay. So first thing, you have got cosec x equals to 2. Remember this one? Cosec is the inverse of. So this is, I'm going to write sine x is equal to 1 over 2. I'm just going to switch the number. Yeah? There's no need to say 1 over. You follow what I'm saying? Everybody is fine? In which quadrant? Now remember, this quadrant is blocked out already. Right? Blocked out already because of that condition. It's not part of our domain. So it's only going to be this quadrant where the sine is positive. Right? We know that angle x is equal to, let me hear, is equal to 30 degrees. And that's all. 5.6. 5.6. We're going to get to radians. Tomorrow. Then part B, sec. And I want you to take notice that they are giving you whole numbers here for cosec and for sec because they are the inverses of the cosine as well as the sine.
If it's a fraction, they don't.
Yes, this is 1 over cos, so this is going to be cos x equals to negative 1/2. Cosine is negative in the first, in the second and the third quadrant. So in this particular case, I'm not going to consider this one. I'm just going to consider this where cosine is negative.
Yeah.
So we're going to look at 180 minus that angle and 180 plus our reference angle. So let us then calculate our reference angle. So that is going to be the inverse of that positive here. We'll put a minus, right? Cosine, think cosine, adjacent over hypotenuse. What is that angle? 60 degrees. Okay, you got it? So that angle is 60 degrees. You can use your calculator. Now, I should what? Yeah, of course, should add up. This and that should add up. Same ratio. Good. Anyway, our answer is in the second quadrant, 180 minus 60 degrees. If you don't know, it's 120 degrees all day long. And in the third quadrant, it's 180 degrees plus 60 degrees. If you don't know, it's 240 degrees all day long. And that is within the given domain. Does that make sense? Say what? Do the same way. At A, the sign is only positive in the first quadrant. Although our domain is here, here, and here. In this quadrant, in that quadrant, the sign is negative.
I mean like 180 minus 30.
But, hallelujah, amen. They didn't see. So our answer is in the second quadrant. For this particular question, it's going to be 180 degrees minus 30 degrees, which is 150 degrees. Is that okay with you? Now, something else that you should know, that whatever the ratio in that quadrant, whatever it is, like for example, in the second quadrant, the sign is positive. Its inverse is also positive. By the way, what is the inverse of sine? Cosec? Okay. Cosec? No? Cosec. So the cosec will also be positive for that. Tangent is positive in the third quadrant, for example. So what other ratio will be positive? Cotangent. You and your cot. You think it's a cot that you sleep on? Cotangent and tangent is positive in the third quadrant as well as in the first quadrant, for example. All of them are positive.
And the last one?
Okay. Now, I'm going to do one more. Is that fine with you? Good. I'm going to do cot. Cotangent x equals negative 1. By the way, what is the tangent of x equals to 1? Thinking 45 degrees. Don't you remember? 45 degrees. Tangent is opposite divided by. So what I was saying here, I was saying 10x equals to 1. Uh-huh.
45, always.
Are you with me? 5 upon 4 or
45 degrees.
if this is 1, that is 1.
Exactly, that one will be.
So the angle is. So something here is fishy. But anyway, it doesn't matter. This is going to be the same as tangent x over negative 1. The reason is the inverse of negative 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 over 1 is the same as 1 over negative 1, which is equal to negative 1. Must I write that stuff down? Anyway, in which quadrant for this given domain is tangent negative? It's going to be this one, the second one, and then the last one. For that domain, this one is already blocked out. It's negative here and here. This one is not considered because in that quadrant tangent is positive. Now, we know the angle is 45 degrees as you were saying. So our reference angle is equal to 45 degrees. And everybody know how to find that the reference angle, am I right?
Yes.
Must I write it down? So the answer will be 180 minus 45. 135 degrees is our solution. Thank you very much. And our second one will be 360 minus 45. The answer will be, whoa, 360 minus 45 is 315. And these are our two solutions. By the way, these and these, very simple.
Easy to make
But
mistakes. Easy to make mistakes.
That's my time. Stop the tape.
I like this session. I enjoyed it. I like it.